fa kamba call record ye esa de bae di sa papa no na say the musician come ni say ma me kan no o share di for but I'm the king of all prophets.
Okay.
And all the igwe na ebeka
Kai.
Eti edu time bi no na bia we say we na me bani gini ko ni ma sometimes branding you have to brand yourself. Now also take it and ma because and go be free say we suffer now we gain ma me try say be faking.
Okay.
Eti na just took it off.
Okay.
Eti me if you say am be act prophet ni.
Act prophet. Okay. Abusia for mu na what igwe no na setre. What if for me patcho what sorry you say sorry can say no Kumasi.
Never try.
And I have no one of your branches. So Accra say. What if for you na you share to say Ghana sema pastor my before one Bishop Daniel Obini share maybe at Tokane start free year. Said the ampenful baby say e jabi so na say e jano ye ndum na ye de hu agudi sabo say e jano e di pem afi ni dum na ye di ye pa. You will say what boy we mu e dey na ma otimi bo we mu sa.
One reason pen man bo we. Da bia me ka say omo me enu nya enu nya.
Okay.
I gave an evidence in my video no. I share some me enu nya. Na me ka say so omo ntime bo a omo me no bi amra out. So we nim no ye jia nda. But up to now, omo me no bi ntime out.
Okay.
Meaning Bishop Obinim for over 20 years, the same with Buffalo over 20 years. Na me Obinim ye tight. But Buffalo the na me ne share tight. Around the line I'm ne be tight. Nje be tight no no. Na ono ne asoro ma continue. Na asoro ne nkoso.
Kumasi.
Kumasi. I feel ma ponti ba na e wo ye menko a.
Menko a.
Na I call say outskirt of Kumasi.
Okay.
Aha.
Atene ho.
Wo ko Mampong Road.
Okay.
Aha. Eti no now no social Bishop Obinim wo TV so those time metro. Nso pamburu ya no no naba. Eti na Obinim so gina mu de na no so e madam. Eti oni me din komo say o say the artist Obinim se bu aso for ibi. Enka obepese memfa no ko Bishop Obinim na omo ano.
That time remember
betima kaya asma me kan about 15 years 10 years ago.
10 15
and obede 17 years yes
17 years
whoa yeah 15 16 17 years
okay
and you know me de go home ema me be to be ni di go home because asana me de go Bishop with my girlfriend Bishop madam for say me di go home and also me fa number Timidly call Bishop Win, that's an Bishop Win at Bosor, Kenya, say, if I said Piazza Kenya, rather. I didn't call the field, and yet, no Bishop Win, man, I can't tell by Yaman.
That's an hour we are sorry.
Let me sorry that all fantastic.
Okay.
And you know, oh man, I can't just pay away, I'm an idea. Thou didn't come in a call, thou could jet them in a call.
Okay.
A free one on one can send up or business to move the relationship.
Now for the free,
maybe free because I'm not coming, with my phone, saying, I'm for me inside. It will call me my way, yes, my assistant.
And at that time, what Bishop Obinim said, ne papa, Nana down for now.
Oh, father,
papa, a jack,
father. But as a good that time, we no number for no be anyone. What I say, you know, on anybody fine from them. If you want to wear fine to Monantia, copy some of one so by Basoro, Eti on my friends. Papa, and now for way of life. Eti no mo ba akra na mo me twa flight on ba. Mo go pass on Obinim nya twa flight on wako. Enti I find me ko Obinim no so call you to me share bon komo.
But the Bishop am not a branch bia na so still no go so operating na sorry.
No ya na sorry.
Okay.
Eti free man kontin me mo no de ba faade.
Okay.
Aha. Eti no gusu ya. Eti mu no e na mo nante ya e nya be fan ya eti bi di nkomo me ko Obinim oh, we are fine. Check out no meaning come attach same. Very close because that animal back and I'm in such a car. It may go on one of your mobile commas. Yes, she have but for more than some mobile can be yet in Babom. We try the same flight. I ain't by the African war from the Obini to be Chaman, who's to be Obini. Like one baby. So all of a sudden, I who says a failure. Before any obedience to quant to be steady as I'm now. Mama out. Michelle see Conan who's a failure. I say, before you have to be in my phone. And I, my son and I'm someone by your fine. The mommy bass and men and I'm someone by your friends. Upon Bob Cabby and Pussy. So for Bedukobi, so Penny Beckham, I see. Then you Kumasia, you will say so for Basu Beckham, still not to one of us. It's a we needed somebody, Obetima Benoit,
to prove evidence.
Evidences about me. Because I made it now, yeah. And I'll try to cancel for my back, and then one man churches, and yes, I know what it will study as an amusement, and there are some way many the best person of my manager. Because and I'm so of friends, which opinion or both with you. Omumi anu yanti me distribute this fact. Hope after year you can interview them, they will tell you. Omumi anu yanti some of them come as friends. And they say because I mean to me town has a cost.
Say because I mean to me and now interest to say because our prophet will be back say na adin na say because one when to na more anchor bishop Daniel Obi no more one say to na more anchor Reverend Obofo now ukato kekesa.
Om say asem na ye kan asem no ebedu edem asem anke be kan dem asem.
Okay.
But asem ye na ye na be social media. Now Obofo di obi ni matem ama obi ni dia hotia be kasa. I'm man warning say onya de hoye no na ni ditipe na me. What I say say video no buy na chimu. And Obofo say another video. Ebe disi obi ni. And I say ah na dey go video say nya papa. I know na mama decide say how to step in because I better social media. Social media na trending. And one will be a castle. And one I was here settle this score. That's why I came there.
Now I say Mr. said by before no Uber out back.
Uber out back we be signing one say on nice sardina all year. And this how I suppose.
Yes. Make I start time. I think about 3 months and 2 months here.
Oh, about 3-4 months.
Yeah, shed and check. It's and say because you what for phone a friend Reverend Obofo. And what for phone a friend Bishop Daniel Obi that.
Bishop Obi ni amana Kasai.
Okay.
Me to me chanto.
Okay.
Reverend Obofo the Benin Kasa we issue. I have my personal reasons, which I think say are personal. What I say. What will say? Let me say this is the truth. So uno be sign the do baby no free so abene sika. Abene di. Interfere so chese omuadia bumo.
Wait till I say one of Obofo and close.
That is the fact.
Okay.
So uno be a dia gro free club be nim na se. Nim ye nya baby free e bra ya bre. Kete. Dia agro sa dia ba. What you say? Juma na ye na mejuma. Ye nya ye ntimi be nya dom bebre. Ye nya ye ntimi be nya di bebre. But the end of the day na ya kra na ye twe. Se bi ube nya bi kakra chen me. Now free said the one ntimi. Wontimi fa bone ni die mame a. Se bi wonhwe me. Wonhwe me yire. Wonhwe me ba. Wonhwe me nkura. Wonhwe me TV na radio ka me. I got to respect myself. And I'm distancing myself. My Bishop Obi ni me he's still a friend, he's still a brother. Because of friend me, with me friend, but me ba me ho, with me corner ho. The word do be and he still respect the relationship we built from infancy. And I still respect him as such. So that is it.
So that is it. And so for Wakasa, okay, what make you good points. But Obi super like I said, is it because if you are one in Cassandra was side Ediama Bishop Daniel Obi because we see Obenya is kind of when Yantabai, Adi Bono, they say a new as in any Atlan and in Tones and into one Bishop Daniel Obi Neshibu. Obi super like I say, any one and the work of the Bishop Daniel Obi.
Many Bishop Obi and Shimum, but the point that I'm trying to make is say, when you first baby I didn't done, so 1, 5, 2, 3. A 7 periods I didn't show you what inside you. Bam bam, maybe no credit bam. I came to say the truth. no cry. The truth is what I said. Now, yeah, what Ghana hanging and say a kind of cry. Bishop Obin will see you, and yet never never. And signing, I may be a reverend waffle. And it is what I've been through. I didn't think I was holding a new year for. This is the point that I'm trying to make. And not that I'm siding with Obinim, Senka, Obinim, and I never for number for Barbatono, and when they say, and Kameka. Namini, but this is the first platform making some way. Tama Bishop Obinim, and Bishop Sam Kwanchanka, and Yasam, many Bishop Obinim Kasai. Tama Bishop Obinim, I do a pump when Yasam. Me no pump work, Bishop Obinim Kasai. On probably to make an batch, many Bishop Obinim in office. On no pump to go to Jim, many Kasai Bishop Chasso, make Kasachem. One is some Kwanchanka and somebody, many Bishop Obinim Kasai. And what see me as a brother and as a friend. What did I make her say? That is it. And you know, I'm not taking side with Obinim. But the American Ghana food means a no cray. What before Basso, but Obinim Bayans and Obofoba. What is it? And the main reason they come on and break cars and we won't say, you won't cry yet at home. So for the 20 year hair. The Obofoba Sikana, Obenya Tomana, Obenya Dia, or the Obinim. Say it's now a shot at Chinaman Gray, which is Yabi. Bit of a young Tomis Catchan. One free ya, you don't make any as a toilet true. If we say, Obia Yibi, Yanka, do dear chili, see, do the canant. Eti esa ye can you can't to a chima. What must say? Eti min Bami Bemu, Bemusama, me take his side with Obinim. Bami me take his side and say, Obinim be a penny, both of any woman, or both for, as we are growing Musukuno. Obia any lebu, now from Viemara. Adiam ye, me move Bonnie, what you mean, take his side, name of the can of prayer. How, Mammy, what is what I got hatch? I wouldn't even say Obinim Simon and Romanian neck. Some bracket and kitchen 9 in the show upon one Obinim or metro. I said, upon will react, no Binima. And this Annet, the Asanet and Obinim Panidia, and the above for me dinner, and Castle will be your cry. In a castle way.
And he and the castle way. What if for Prophet? I do not can't teach you Ghana for the Dona Castle. A yard be to say. Or both was the kind of when I'm a yasophobia, anything as a win now about out will be a cabunso. What is that? Me, often say,
Mammy, you can't say with you. There be a cancer, we say, we are seeing power, Jimmy. I'm interested. I will be any brother, no young way. Wouldn't be it here. Mammy, number 2. 1. Nipana when you bring on. Our young one way. And you bring out one young away in Nipana. If Nipanisi come out. Nipa de pade na wodia nipa nisika na wonya embedu botom ne yere embe na woyere ne ma embe ya no ma ni na asore ma me wa asore ma enti woni bere no a ekoyie sen. Number 2 eni bere ni anwo ya me se be nipa bia fo wa ejimi fo na wonim dansa na etoso me ni sai se wonya ade na ade na wonya no mani jema na me gya na me asem ma wo emanya me bie kwa ma me so mbenya bi na mom ni sambe ye ni bre enya nkwaya wa de wonya no ho a aseche ni sambe sikwan masade ni bi ma menchen enti ni bre ni anwoya no aya esigi papan ma ne ma pa obi enya na wo ye ho ni be na anwoya no wonya bi so was anti ase we ya wani mu obi wuni obi anwoya de bia be ka se ni fa Nigeria fo alata ni mu se ni nua toka na ka na fa wo hu ya wo se wo ga. Now God they bless you. Hey, it be your car. This car be nice. Oh God, I thank you for my brother. Make you bless me too. Make you bless me too. Nigeria is not a come. But Ghana ni wusa ni nyanya de na ekoswa. Nwe wunya. Na so we dey nyapa. Se o yes ade no ade o ye ne se ade na bipa ne nya no. Wo si wo kwanse wo bi ma wa wunya bi. Obi nya wade na wade bere na ya ho ya wunya wade pa obi nya sika wani bere no na wade ya wunya sika obi nya japade no wani bere na wa ya ho ya wunya bi enti ba me anya ho ya anya ni bere obi anya mmiri obi because at the end of the day the nipa no me du boto the nipa de kura en ya wode ya na wo ya sa so esi wani wonam nhira wo se free the nipa ne nya no ho ba ho no esi kwan entinya ni bɛ ni awon ya ne mo mi to de bi ya nipa mpa no kore wumi awo ya de na oni asa de awo ya mi jai enya na ni bɛ na ho ya ne se entare de ma mo fa nko okra because obi ani mire obi ana obi yeso nim ko obi afa so nya de wanya woni mo obi aka afa so nya na ade mo ni ko bere because we are sensitive nya and at the end of the day bibi aye prepare na sasis when they were because uju no sad mo ya na ni be mo kwem uwu na efie ka sika eyire ekunu eba japade ene asore ma ene asore dan bie no ade free akọ eye just adaka bie ye 6 feet ene be pede odo atu ye do akọ nti no
just adaka bia eye 6 feet ena ye be pejao edo akọ before I back commercial break no papa mi sanfa assembly entwemu wokasem no na wokase kwanya bishop Reverend Obofo Asante Obofo ofa so a wonya ne sika se ka pese ofa sa kwan ne so a woso ka be fa so e de nya usika wosusu se kwan bi wo ho no mo a e bia Obofo fa so a wo de nya ne sika e bia pese Ghana fo na wi asete
mame
eja
obi enu a wanya sika o wi ase a on fa kwan so ni nya ye
okay
sika obi enu wi ase ni kwan ofa so nya ne sika no minim but enya me business
what if focus a winning ma a good number Ghana 4% minimum because for video no it's a question pass a winning man catch me a question pass and somehow kind soon a whoopee a mood too a nothing and net you are saying what's it winning that will person the first time to me and then Jessica what if for your person would still book a crama Ghana 40
the person with Chimney and say make us answer no with the purpose say mbese manu mu se onim se minim nsem but enu no nya the reason te ma make us na echi omuno hwe o kan obi nim de o kan obi nim ati se enwasem obi nim asera obi nim niwe obi nim yese because wa ben no etu wa be hu nyema bi wo ho na wo expose no fine se me so minim hu nyema yi se me so me ba out se me so be expose wa yin nya te se yen asofo no yesi entuma bu fi hata bonten enti de mama kan sa se me che say okay wini mo bi ni bia na wo ka se me so me ba out na me so de minim fa ho no me so be ka em fa so biem enti won put stop to de wonim for bi ni mu a wo ka what is here said de be ya ye nya no
said no Bishop Daniel bi so good ni ma sia na
amame na be ka say Bishop obi ni ati wo yire siara abobra che Bishop obi ni ma amen yin net Ghana ha obi nti Kosovo obi ati Ghana we see ara igbo be no ye sika be no enti wo beka say we ni see ara body change Bishop obi ma aye ni bu ase what was here wo beka say Bishop obi ni aye creton ase sofo aye ni bu ase
o fa ka say we Michael Jackson
we Michael Jackson aye ni bu ase because what be ben do free so be hu nyama bi wo ho abetimi da guna ni mas okay anya enya ye ngu nkwa se me so mi nyama se me so me ka se me so be ka bi egu ani mas ya Ghana ha ye betra
what if for say anya enya ye ngu nkwa abusia before ye betra enkomo no so no me di say o dey pa ye ko a quick